Okay, good morning. Good morning. This is the day 2. I went ahead and, as you can see, the shed's fully open, and I'm letting more heat out. It's currently a good temperature here, so I really don't need the shed open, but I need heat air coming out faster. So there's a hole for each miner. So some are plugged in already because miners are not ready yet. Some are going off. I just did vents. I should put a tube. I'm taking a tube from here to the window. That way it's easier than just heat capturing this one area. Same on the other side. So mine is going off. In here we have the AC unit, blasting, air circulation. Then we have miners over here on the wall. More, got to plug them in. So those will be going off, and we're gonna add more later. And this is the setup. So this is day 2. More to come. Close the door. Now the noise level is kind of high. I believe I need more insulation. So when the door's closed here, way less. But the door's wide open. It's not too high where it annoys the neighbors, but if I had maybe 20 in there running, it would probably annoy the hell out of me. So that's how we're looking right now. That's it.